Hi, this is my solution to Paul McWhorter's Pico W lesson number 17 when he wanted us to turn an LED on and off using a button, so that if you press a button it turns it on, and then if you press the button again it turns it off, as opposed to the LED being on when you've got the button held down and off when your finger's off the button. I've previously solved this problem about a year ago when I was doing all of Paul's lessons for the Raspberry Pi and seeing whether I could do it on the Pico, and I'll include a link to the video in my description below, but this is slightly different because I'm using the picozero library, and I'm also using an inbuilt a breadboard with an inbuilt button there, which is what I'm going to be using, and I'll be flashing the inbuilt LED on the board on and off, just because I'm too lazy to build anything more. Right, I will show you the code. It's very complicated. Yep. So because I'm using picozero and using button, it does all the pull up, pull down resistors things automatically, and then that just says it creates a callback, so when you release the button it toggles the LED. Well, what more can I say? Right, I will run this program, press the button. Nothing happens when I hold it down, but when I hold it up, you can just about see the LED, and then turn it down, turn it on, turn it off. Well, there you have it. Not very exciting video.